Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Jeep Grand Cherokee headrest. First, recline the seat a bit for clear access and find the release buttons at the base of the posts. Press both release tabs together while lifting the headrest straight up to avoid binding. If a tab is stuck, gently pry with a flathead wrapped in tape. Once removed, store the headrest posts safely to prevent scratches or bending during reinstallation. Prepare by gathering a taped flathead screwdriver and gloves to protect the trim and your hands. Clear the back seat area so you can lift the headrest out without bumping the top of the seat. Recline the seat lightly to expose the release buttons at the base of the headrest posts. Test each release with even pressure and keep the removed headrest and posts together to avoid losing components while you work. If the headrest is stubborn, press both release tabs firmly while lifting straight up to free it. Corroded posts may need a quick spray of silicone or penetrating lubricant, followed by gentle wiggling and lifting. Never force the headrest at an angle, as that can bend posts or damage the trim. After removal, inspect the posts and sleeves for wear and clean debris to ensure smooth reinstallation later on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.